everyone, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. In today's video, I'm going to go over my choreography to Love by Nat King Cole. This is a beginner level combo, so if you are a beginner, go ahead and enjoy this combo. Once you've learned the choreography here in this video, then you can go and do it with music with the short that I posted earlier this week. You can find the link to that down in my description box below. And if you don't know some of the steps in this tutorial, you can probably find a tutorial going over that step on my Tap Step Tutorials playlist, which you can also find linked in my description box below. So if you don't know a step, go ahead and search for it there. I most likely have a video going over it. And then come on back and you can learn, keep learning the choreography in this video. So let's go ahead and get started here. So we're going to start with 2 shuffle step heels, first on the right and then on the left. So with your right foot starting, we're going to go shuffle, step, heel, left side. Then we're going to go shuffle, ball change on the right. And then to finish it off, shuffle, step, heel on the right. So 2 shuffle step heels, shuffle ball change, and then 1 more shuffle step heel. So starting on your right foot, let's try that again. We have shuffle step heel, shuffle ball change, shuffle step heel. Then we're going to finish it out. We're actually going to do it now on the left side. So same thing on the left side, shuffle step heel, and 2, shuffle ball change. Okay, here's what we're going to move side to side now. We're going to do 3 step heels. Step heel right, going to the out, going out, and then left is going to bring your feet back together. Then you're going to do 1 more on the right, going out, and then toe on the left. Okay, so this is now going to move us to the right. So we just finished shuffle, ball change, shuffle, step, heel. We're going to do 3 step heels, out, together, out, and toe. Now you're going to repeat that on the left side. Out, together, out, together, out, and then 2 toes are now on the right. Okay? So let's go ahead and try just that section here. So starting on the right foot, we just finished shuffle, step, heel. We have step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, toe to the left. Good. From here, we finished here. We're going to go into 4 paradiddles. Starting on the right foot, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Good. So let's try it from the top here. So we have our shuffle step heel section. 1, 2, shuffle ball change. Now on the left. Shuffle ball change, step heels, out, together, out, toe, left side, paradiddles, 4 of them. Good. From here, we're going to do, I believe I've heard it called a double Irish. So it's an Irish with a shuffle ball change attached to it. So we're going to start on our right foot. We're going to do an Irish. And then shuffle ball change is on the left. And you're going to repeat that. Now you're going to do the Irish on your left. And the shuffle ball change is on your right. So like I said, I've also heard it called double Irish, but I tend to just call it an Irish with a shuffle ball change. And then from here, we finished here, shuffle, ball, change. We're going to do 3 buffaloes. These are going to be nice and slow. Step, shuffle, step, 2, 3, and then a cramp roll on the right to round out that phrase. So we have 2 double Irishes. 1, shuffle, ball, change, 2, buffalo, 1, 2, 3, and then a cramp roll. And then we're going to repeat that whole thing now from the top of those Irishes again. So we just finished with our cramp roll. Now we're going to go back into the Irish section. Into the buffalo. For 3. One more. Cramp roll. And that is the very end of the combo. So let's walk through it again. We're going to do it twice through. First time through, I am going to talk us through. And then second time through, I'm not going to say any of the steps. We're just going to run it through as though we were doing it with music, except there won't be any music, obviously. And again, if you want to do the dance with music, the short where I do the dance with music is posted in my description box below. You can find that link down there. So let's go ahead and try it from the top. I'm going to still talk us through. And then second time through, I won't be talking through any of the steps, okay? So here we go from the top. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle, step, heel. Shuffle, ball change. On the left. Shuffle, ball change. Step heel to the right for 3. Toe, toe. Back to the left. Parididdle for 4. All right, double Irishes, 2 of them. 1, shuffle, ball change. 2. Good, buffalo for 3. Cramp roll. Back to the Irish. 1 more. Buffalo for 3. Cramp roll. All right, nicely done. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this one more time up to tempo. I believe that was actually up to tempo, but I'm not going to talk us through steps, so let's give it a try here. And 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, nicely done. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe for new tap videos every Tuesday and Thursday. If you have a song suggestion for one of my combos to do with one of my combos, go ahead and leave that down in the comment section below. And if you have a step suggestion, a suggestion of a step that you would like me to break down or go over, let me know down in the comment section below and I'll try to get to it as soon as possible. All right. Again, thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next video.